What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, I'm excited to show you guys this boat. This is going to be the perfect boat for somebody with either a smaller family, maybe they have size restrictions on the lake that they're on, but this is the 2023 MasterCraft XT20, a revamped model from a few years ago. I think MasterCraft knocked it out of the park with this remodel, so let's climb inside and check it out. So here in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see we do have the cool feel interior all the way through. We have two-tone gray with some white accents on it. I think it looks awesome inside of here. This is, like I said, a 20-foot boat, but you can still expect all the luxury of the XT series. So we have the phone holders, cup holders everywhere. We got the standard clamping board racks. So here we do have the 7-inch screen option on this. Still has all of the usability that the dual screen option has, so we can still save the presets while we're surfing or wakeboarding. All your other options are going to be along that right side of the screen, just like you'd see on the dual screen option. I think the beautiful thing about this XT20 is we got to ride it at training this summer, and for a 20-foot boat, it puts out an incredible wave. So I think once you guys get in this and get behind the wave, you'll be really excited about it. So here we're gonna look at the flooring. We have the decadence option for this boat. This is my favorite option for flooring. Super easy to maintain. You can pull it out, rinse it off, put it right back in. Longevity wise, I think it holds up really well. So this decadence option is an awesome option for y'all. Thank y'all for checking out this XT20 with me. One of the things I do want to point out about this boat, if you're concerned about fitting it in a garage, this boat does fit in most standard garages. So a great option for you guys. Ease of use, it's right there for you to pick up and take off for the lake. Thank you guys again. If you guys have any questions about this, give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.